No, I'm all happy with it really. Just want to see these like 10 days out and try and get another little bit off.
When did we first?
That was right at the end of. It was literally start of March. It was the last couple of days of February, wasn't it? Yeah. It's been. I feel amazing compared to like what I did, without even thinking about my looks or anything.
Yeah.
I actually feel so much healthier. I feel so much better. But I think that's what, because you kind of know what you need to eat, generally. But it was more for me, was having someone there who I can, because I felt a bit, not guilty, but like I kind of wanted to stick to it.
Yeah.
And then it was, I don't know, and then it's knowing how much to eat.
Yeah.
Which is obviously what come from you.
Yeah.
Which has sort of helped me loads, and I've learned a lot.
Yeah.
Which is obviously a win. Feel much better. Hopefully I look better.
Yeah.
But when I come,
look a lot more muscular. You look slim. A lot of legs. Yeah. But have you tried to do not this before? But have you tried to do a nutrition plan or
not with anyone else? No, I've never
done it yourself?
Yeah, I've tried to. Yeah,
Yeah.
I've had my fitness pal before.
Yeah.
But I just never. I'll do a week and then go off.
But is it better, do you think, to have a coach?
Oh, definitely, 100%. Yeah,
Do you think it's better to?
It gives you some accountability and some like, I don't know, like someone there for you, and also, yes, when you need to, like, I can always message you, call you, obviously see you down the gym when I turn out, just in little bits, feel a bit of motivation,
Just try to get time.
So yeah, that's been good for that.
What you're doing is very strict, but do you feel like you'll go back to what you did previously, or some of this?
I don't want to. I don't think I'll be as strict, because I'd like to enjoy a meal out or a takeaway, because that's kind of something we enjoy to do with a film. But I'm going to do it less, and I'm going to try and eat good all weekend, apart from maybe one meal, and try and sort of be a bit more stricter, and then have a little bit where I'm relaxed, but make it a one meal instead of all weekend.
Yeah. Is there a positive change that you?
Oh, I definitely feel a lot more confident.
Yeah.
Like she would always say, "Oh, you're not fat, you're not this and that." But when it's something you enjoy doing, and you want to go to the gym, and you want to change.
Yeah.
I feel like in these nearly 3 months, I've changed a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so happy I signed up with you, to be honest. It's like, definitely learned a lot. We'll take a lot away from it.
Yeah.
No, I mean, you was always, if I ever messaged you, you responded really quick.
Yeah.
Which sometimes it was a Saturday or Sunday, and obviously that's your weekend as well, but you still replied quick. Happy with all that. It was, obviously I saw you a lot down the gym, which I don't know if the other clients you have, if they go to the gym with you or not. I don't know if they all do, or if there's some online or whatever, but for me that was a handy thing to have when you were there. Even if it was a couple of minutes, just catch up, asking me how I am, everything all right. But generally for me, everything was I found it quite smooth. But I mean, I had my days where I got my back. That was sort of a little setback for me, but most of it was quite smooth through.
Had that. Thank you.
So no, thank you.